What's up? It's me, Sydney. I'm back with another DIY for you guys. And for makeup lovers, here's a really cool DIY for you guys. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We're gonna be making DIY lipstick for girls or for boys who likes makeup or lipstick. And this is also for kids too. So for kid lovers, for makeup lovers or lipstick lovers there, here's a really cool DIY for you guys that if you don't want to spend all your money in just those really boring fake makeups or just normal makeups that even kids couldn't buy, this is the hack or the life hack for you or craft. So let's get started. Whew. So the ingredients that you will be needing are color pencils of your choice. I have a red and this really push a pink color. And super hot water. If you want to use boiling water, that's really cool because it will really get into the thing. I don't know what to say. So I have here some hot water. It's really boiling hot, so okay. So prepare yourself for this if you want to do this DIY, and comment down below if you have done this or not, because I do not know who made this hack before. So let's get started. To another setting because I don't have a table right next to me. So here I have here like a cabinet of something. So here's a super hot water. Don't worry guys, I did this like multiple times, and I forgot you should use non-toxic color pens. So yeah, so here it is guys. So pick a color pencil of your choice. I'm gonna go with this one first, and I don't have makeup on. Put it on for like seconds because it's super hot. Just touch it if you want to like. I think it's ready because it's like really like this. So let's just move this away. We're gonna put this on right now. So let's try. Wait, I have to go to another different setting. So let's put this on.
I got my ticket for the long way round. 2 bottle whiskey for the.
So we're gonna see the final look. And look at this. This is good for filming. I'll see you guys in another day. Bye. Bye.